If you look at male strippers, you'll notice two things. One, the way they dance is very masculine and very sexual. Two, whether you like that style of dance or not, you'll notice that women go crazy for it. They love it. Male strippers have a unique way of dancing and nobody ever really talks about it. So today in this webinar, I'm going to give you 6 really easy to apply tips that can help you learn the secrets to male striptease dancing. The methods I'm going to show you in this webinar are going to make your dancing look really sexy and really appealing to women. Our students here at Male Stripper Academy use this information to improve their relationships, to help their self-confidence, or even to pick girls up at the club. My first piece of advice is dance with confidence. This means you need to look up. Don't look at the ground and don't look at your feet while you're dancing. And also, don't be afraid to make eye contact. You should also take risks with your dancing. Don't play it safe. When you take these risks and you go for these personal dance moves or very intimate dance moves, it shows that you aren't afraid of being judged. That is good. Dancing with confidence also means that you're relaxed, not tense. You're smiling, and most importantly, you're enjoying yourself. Confident dancing will look appealing, and more importantly, it will make other people want to join in with you. If you're taking yourself too seriously, you'll scare everyone else off, and other people won't want to engage with you. Male strippers always want the audience to engage with them, and they accomplish this by dancing with confidence, making eye contact, and smiling. These are all very confident and inviting things.